Hello and welcome to another episode from Creative Rods. Beautiful sunny day here in Greenville after a few days of rain. We're heading over to the shop to see what's going on. We'll give you an update on all of our projects, and I think we got one or two new cars into the shop, so we'll take a look at them as well. So stay tuned and enjoy. Oh, y'all got them all gathered up?
No, they wasn't playing. Jerry in here.
Jerry!
Jerry!
Why don't we just gather around this little top right here?
What does he do? Making pokey dots?
I don't know.
Hey, so
I'm YouTube certified. Y'all ain't gotta worry about what I'm doing.
well,
YouTube certified. You ain't got to worry about what he's doing.
well,
Except for seats.
There you got a little present for you right there. And you need to open it up.
yep,
Huh.
yep.
Huh.
That's
Yes,
scary.
You
sir.
gotta try them on too.
Oh,
Yeah.
try 'em on.
Yes.
Yeah. Watch out, Jerry. We'll get one for you too.
Yeah, I already tried that two or three something.
Something other. You gotta get all that stuff off your lap so we can all.
Don't worry, I just opened the dang thing. It's from Taiwan.
You don't take that long on Christmas Day.
I might.
Well, let's see what you got there. I'll be done.
Official.
YouTube must have sent that to you after your certification.
Probably.
It's like
Yeah.
a play button.
What the fuck? It is like a play button. After you get so many views,
Yeah.
after you watch so many videos, they send you a t-shirt.
Uh-huh. Mikey, how was Corona?
It stinks.
Mine does
Mikey's
too.
been out for a week.
Yeah.
Just back in. Today's his first day back.
First day back of the year.
Oh,
Do you feel better now? Or you still feel like you got water in your lungs?
Oh yeah. Other than that, I feel good.
Oh,
All right, Tyler, what we got going on here?
Well, so the AC units mount here and there, and he wants at least an overhead vent over the rear seats. So we got to get that hose laying in my mess up to the roof. So they'll go through my little hole and then tie it up in here, and so that you can get a vent somewhere in this area to blow down on the seats.
So you just put two vents up there where you put any in the back?
It's just gonna be here and then on that side. Then the front seats will have it in the dash. But I don't think there's gonna be any back there because there's no seats in the back. One battery, 2 units, everything's tied together. Rusty tied it all together somewhere under the floor.
Yeah.
So he still only has like one compressor and stuff.
And those will go up through the console up in the front too, right? And there'll be some in the dash as well?
Yeah,
Yeah, so it'll go through the console back up to the dash.
back up through the dash.
I got you. Who are you?
oh shit. Well, y'all know
What
nothing
you
about
got
this.
you some hey dudes on?
Hey, dude, I stole these from Taterhead.
How old is Taterhead?
12. We put our feet just heel to heel on the floor like that because he kept saying my shoes too small, I need bigger boots, blah blah blah. It's like this. It was like an inch longer than my toe.
We got monkey toes.
So
Well, he
those
does.
are his old shoes that he can't wear no more.
Yep.
He's hand-me-down into you, huh?
Yes.
All right, we got a new Bronco in the shop. That looks like a lot like the one we did before.
That's what I thought. I walked in and I was like, it looks like JJ's.
Yep. 73, I believe, Bronco. We got, what are we doing to this thing? Vintage air, roll cage, front fender flares. It's got rear ones. I think we're putting a stereo in it. Just some odds and ends for a new customer. So let's go show him what he got for Christmas if you got time real quick.
Well, it's part of it.
Oh, he done tore it apart, huh?
Well, yeah.
So he's on a 125 two-stroke now. Yamaha.
Yammer hammer.
So what you getting ready to do that?
I was revalving the suspension.
Oh, okay.
That's him on the 125.
Dang. Hey, you better watch out. He's coming for you next year.
I hope so. He thinks he is. I told him I run him over. I put him in the bushes. Look. Dang.
Yeah. He's big.
He's yeah.
Let's head on back to the body shop. I don't see nothing going on, no sanding. I don't think anything's going on back here. Ain't nothing going on back here, I told you. Ain't nothing going on. I didn't hear no sanding, no nothing.
We're getting
He's talking to me too much. I don't know what's going on.
Questions.
Oh, he was asking questions.
Yeah.
All right. Some good questions.
Yeah. I want to make sure I'm doing everything.
Heck yeah, he's doing a fine job. Fine young
Fine
man.
job. He's a fine young man.
Fine young man. Doing a great
Yeah.
job.
Fender.
The running boards are done for him.
Running boards are done. So what? They ready to be painted or whatever?
Primed again, yeah.
Oh
You're
yeah.
gonna prime again?
See these big houses right here?
Well, Trey, you did it one day.
That goes on the Defender. All right. I'll let y'all get back to doing nothing.
Yeah. So,
listen.
tomorrow,
Listen.
tomorrow I'm gonna
Tomorrow he's gonna do
be
what?
here tomorrow working on the GTO.
Oh, you gonna finally work on my GTO?
Oh, I can't. I've been.
Huh?
Y'all put me off. Y'all don't.
Come on now.
You said this. You need to do this.
I got you your glass that you needed, and
I'm gonna make a list of stuff. You're gonna be like,
lift. I just want to see progress.
you need to get me,
Progress.
You need to get me a credit card.
Now he's wanting my credit card. Good Lord. I don't know what's going on over here at the Chevelle, but they've been like power squaring this thing for about 30 minutes. What's going on?
Seeing where the hinge is hitting the cow.
Oh,
Figuring out what method of attack we're gonna.
hey, stop that.
How we gonna fix it?
Did y'all just get y'all some new lights or something? Y'all
And so
playing with?
look. That's how we communicate.
Oh gosh, they done got them. The tool truck's done been here, I believe.
I did buy a new one today.
Did you?
Y'all are suckers for some lights, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Where's your UFO light at?
Which one?
When you wrap on your forehead.
Over there.
I was gonna talk to Rusty about his door panel, but
Well, see, Rusty, he hides from the camera.
oh, he don't like it.
He said the internet ain't ready for all his sexiness. Is what he said.
You hear
'Cause
that?
I called him out on it.
That's bull crap right there. Huh? Here he comes.
That might have been so.
Hey, Rusty. Someone was talking about you being on camera, and you said that the camera internet ain't ready for all this sexiness. Is that what it?
That's right.
Huh?
That's right.
He said you run when the camera comes
I
around.
tried to.
Huh?
Could you edit just like a bright spot on the?
On his head.
Yeah.
Look, he's doing everything in the world not to get on camera, causing all that noise. I said he's doing everything in the world to not get on camera, causing all that noise and everything.
I was trying to ask
That's
him.
just going to attract me more to you.
Don't surprise me at all.
I was trying to ask him if he could like edit in just a bright spot
Bright spot right here where.
over your face. If you
Listen, Nate Dogg was really shy on camera, and he became one of the stars of the show. So I've got faith in you.
wanted. You gotta let your sexiness
Gotta
out.
let my
Yeah,
sexy
let
out.
your hair down.
I'll do that.
All right.
I just gotta weld them.
Yeah. I guess this is what I was looking at, because that don't have it on there.
Oh yeah.
It just wasn't all together. That's what I was talking about. It just needs to be welded up.
I gotta wear my YouTube certified shirt tomorrow so I can weld it.
Yeah.
Make it as close to perfect as I can. That's close. I didn't say make it perfect. That's
You're gonna make
close
it
to
perfect.
perfect.
Rusty said he spent all that time on there. It's going to have to be perfect.
Somebody spent a lot of money on this for you not to make it perfect.
That's right.
Then I tried to tell Rusty that the body shop will get it, and he said no.
That don't work anymore.
He said I can't say that anymore.
So we got a Jeep hood on this thing.
Jeep hood, Jeep bumpers.
You ever figure out how many lights we had on it? All right, we are in our assembly shop. We've got another Bronco here from a good customer of ours. Her nickname is Bessie, and we have got, I think we're putting Holley EFI on it. Obviously a electronic fuel pump. We've done some work on this before, you know, flooring and different stuff for him in the past, but just putting a Holley EFI. He keeps this up at a cabin that he owns that he does a lot of rafting on, so it's usually has a big raft, carry all of his rafts on top and stuff like that. But so it seems like we've gone through another classic 4x4 with 2 Broncos in here. It seems everything seems to go in groups. We'll either have a bunch of Chevelles, a bunch of classic 4x4s. There for a while we had the Scout, we had the K5 Blazer, we had 2 Broncos all in at one time that we were working on them. If you've watched any of our videos, you've seen those in the past. So now we've got 2 more Broncos in here, but both of them will be short-term projects. But always glad to help our previous customers out and get them in on priority and stuff like that. So but just stay tuned. We'll probably won't be much to see on this one just because it's just Holley EFI. So there's probably not going to be much to show on this one when it leaves and while it's here. So just thought I'd let you guys know 2 new vehicles in the shop, and just happen to be 2 Broncos.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 on the outside.
How about up there?
Yep, I counted those.
Yeah, 15 lights on the outside.
So far.
So far.
Good time.
That's a mighty big hood scoop there.
Ain't it?
Huh?
We'll catch a bunch. You should have turned it around the other way.
Yeah. Suck some air in? Yeah. You're going to have to cut that down, or you
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing these release cuts.
Okay, I hate to interrupt this episode, but I got some good news for you. We are going to start bringing you more content on our YouTube channel. A lot of the guys do some extracurricular activities outside of work, such as racing motorcycles or cars. As you've seen in the past, we go to car shows outside of the shop, events, that sort of thing. So we're going to start uploading more videos throughout the week. Not sure of how many at this point, but there will be more than Shop Walk, probably 1 extra video to start with. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that button now, and you'll get more content. Hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss an episode. And now we're back to our current episode. See you later.
So it'll sit down.
I got you.
Sit down in there, and that way you won't lose this transition
Yeah.
so much. And then just trim this off and glass over it. The rest of it.
So you got the super build on the car now?
Yeah. Yep. Gonna block it and then see where we're at and reprime it. Should be good.
Yep. Look good so far?
Yeah.
You got all the basics done?
Huh?
Got all the basics,
Yeah.
rough end stuff done?
It's a little wonky over here still, but we'll get it.
Cool.
Oh, 15. What did I say?
15.
7, 18, because there's 2 more in the rear bumper.
Yeah, those little rigid lights. Is that what they are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The little pods.
Are those backup lights or just lights?
Those are just lights. His taillights have built-in backup lights.
I think it looks pretty mean from the front.
Mm-hmm.
We get them big tires on there.
Bigger tires, just got the light bar piece for the roof.
And a disco ball.
And a disco ball.
Huh.
He doesn't need a rearview mirror when he's got a disco ball.
No, he's got a lot of mirrors.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to put a backup camera on it? Might as
I don't know.
well.
Nothing's been said.
Oh, might as well.
One of them cameras like Shannon has that does a dash cam out the front, and then it's got a backup camera on it.
That's it for this episode of Shop Walk. We appreciate you watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Like the video, tell others, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.